Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Xrsbeauty Hair. So today, as you can see, I'm doing something a little bit different, and basically I am trying a wig from XRS Beauty. As you can see, like I added some little curls to it just because if you know me, you know that I'm not a fan of like straight hair. But this is what the hair looks like. As you can see, the box is beautiful, and it's a wig from XRS Beauty. When they contacted me, they sent me pictures of the wig and how the lace looks like. It's basically an undetectable lace, and I was like, you know what? Let me try it. Like they said, like it's perfect for beginners. So I was like, let me try it and see. So as you can see, like the box comes in with a lot of goodies, a wide tooth comb, which is perfect, and some flexi rods and some other little tools. So this is what the lace looks like. As you can see, it's pretty undetectable. The wig is pre-plucked, and there's a comparable like between the new clear lace and the transparent lace that you normally get from like the regular wigs. So I wanted to spray it on my arm, basically stick it so that I can show you really the difference between the two laces. So as you can see, I'm using Got to Be Good gel. That's what I use. I'm not the best at wigs, so I try to keep things as simple as possible. So I'm basically just going to take the clear lace and I'm going to put it on my arm, and I'm going to do the same thing for the transparent lace. I just want you to see how different they are, the clear lace and the transparent lace as well. So even as you're looking at it right now, you can already sort of like see the difference, but I'm going to blow dry it and show you how it dries. And maybe I think I'm going to flip my arm just because the lighting was a little bit weird. I'm using natural light to film this, so let me just flip my arm and show you. So as you can see, the one at the front is the clear lace. The one at the back, the one that is closest to the mark that you can see on my arm, that is the clear lace. It looks different, and the wig comes with straps, and it also had some combs. I mean, like honestly, it's like the best wig for beginners. So I decided to add foundation on it just because, y'all, from watching all of the wig videos on YouTube, people always do this. So I'm like, you know what? Let me do it too, just in case. And I did wear a wig cap, and it actually came with the box as well. So I'm like, they really thought of everything that a beginner would need. I'm going to leave all the details about the hair, the length, direct link to the same exact wig down below. So as you can see, like the hairline is pretty like plucked, which God, ladies, I cannot tell you enough how I'm always afraid of plucking a wig. Actually, I've never tried it because I always think if I do it, I'll end up plucking all the hair out and basically destroy the wig. If I ever try it, I'll definitely show you. But honestly, I love that it's pre-plucked. As you can see, it's not like a lot of hair at the front, and the clearness of the wig is just amazing. So again, I'm just going in with my Got to Be Good spray, and I'm just going to use that and then blow dry that. I found that to be the easiest way for me to glue. I don't know, is this glue? I don't know if this is glue or is a spray. Is there a difference between the glue and the spray, or is it like the same thing? Let me know in the comment section. This is basically how much I know about wigs. So I actually decided to glue it without cutting the lace first because I thought it would be better. But I actually thought, I think from now on I'll just cut the lace before installing the wig, just because when I cut it, I ended up lifting the wig a little bit and then I had to spray it some more. But as you can see, even like right now, like the places that are glued down, they're pretty much like clear. They look like my skin, but I'll show you after I cut it and you can see the difference. Like I'm surprised at how amazing I did at installing this wig. I mean, of course the wig, the way it comes really helps a beginner like me at wigs, because I am really a beginner at wigs. Sorry about the sound, like the windows is going crazy because like it's super windy outside, and I left the windows open and the blinds are basically being blown off by the wind. But so this is me cutting off the lace. As you can see, it lifted a little bit, so I'm just going in with the glue again and I'm just trying to get it to lay flat. Do you guys think it's better to cut the lace first or to cut it after you glue it down? I'm sure that people who are way better with wigs, please leave a comment down below and let me know, or maybe other ladies might be interested. So I went in with my powder foundation and I basically, actually I didn't put any powder on it. The brush, the same brush that I used when I was adding the what do you call it, the foundation inside the wig, is the same thing that I basically used at the front, and just basically trying to make it match my skin color as much as possible. So as you can see, I'm just creating a part at the front, and I thought of like going in with a hot comb and like, you know, making it lay flat, but I thought against it. I just decided to go in with this I think it's like a hair wax. I got it from Amazon from watching another YouTube video, and I was like, okay, I'll get it and try it. So I got it from Amazon. I'll leave it linked down below if you want to check it out as well. And then just because I felt like the wig was super flat for me, after adding that, I didn't feel the need to go in with a hot comb and do it again. I usually see people when they're installing wigs, like they go in with a hot comb and make sure that it's really flat, but it was flat enough for me, at least. Definitely, if you want to make it even more flatter, then go in with a hot comb, but I thought this was good enough for me. Now, if you're not new here, you'll know that I feel a little bit weird about straight hair. And that's what, like, I was looking at myself and I'm like, I'm not sure I'm feeling this super straight hair. I just think like it's not my thing. But I ended up falling in love with it after. But as you can see, like, I did a good job with installing the wig, and the clear lace, girl, if you're a beginner like me, like this is like the best invention ever. I absolutely love the clear lace, and like my installation was like flawless. So because I wasn't really feeling the straight hair, I decided to go in and add like a little bit of curl into the hair, like not like super curly, but just basically, I guess they're called waves. That's what we call them. And I ended up falling in love with the hair even more after adding the waves, just because the super straight thing is just not my thing, like at all. So the waves, like, as you can see, the smile came out after I added the waves. But this is it for the hair, ladies. I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you on Thursday. Bye, ladies.